Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing these washable, reusable dog diapers from Wegreeco. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to get diapers for their dog. Maybe your dog has some problems at night. And so I have a size medium, and my dog weighs about, I'd say, 10 to 12-ish pounds. And so what I like about this is that first off, it's got the tail hole. So your dog's tail can easily insert into here. It's also got breathable holes on the back here for ventilation. You do have the Velcro strap to kind of strap both sides as well. So there's one Velcro strap, and then here's the second Velcro strap. And with it, I'd say it stays on pretty well, okay? So you do need to make sure that the tail goes inside, just because for me, I feel that the tail is pretty crucial at making sure that the diaper stays in place. And so if the tail's not in, it's more likely to slide off. But even so, just make sure that it's tightly wrapped and Velcroed around your dog's waist. But with this, the best thing about it is that it's reusable and it's washable, and I've had no problems with it whatsoever.